I love to create cleaning products at home because I am in control with what ingredients go in it. Plus, the satisfaction of being able to make your own products from scratch is pretty awesome. Now, the first thing that we're going to make is homemade wood polish. And you can use this on wooden cutting boards, wooden tables as a polish for leather boots. And all you need is 2 cups of olive oil, 1/4 of beeswax, and 10 lemons. And with the 10 lemons, you're actually going to use the lemon peels. And I was so blessed because my dad brings boxes of lemons. Now, the second thing we're going to make is some rose scented freshener. Now, you only need 1 cup of organic roses, and you need some water, 2 cups of water. Now, the third thing we're going to make is soap. Now, soap is so easy, and so many people are kind of afraid to make soap because they think it's complicated. All you need is some soap base. You need some soap mold, silicone soap mold. You need some color if you want. And in the past, we've used dandelion powder. So any kind of fruit or plant powder, that's perfect. Essential oils, you're going to need some essential oils, and you will have soap in no time. Now, the last thing we're going to make is some hand sanitizer. And right now, people are in search of hand sanitizer. Now, the key for hand sanitizers is you want it to be 91% to 99% isopropyl alcohol. You're going to want some essential oil. You're going to want some vitamin E, and you want some aloe vera gel. I love